while solving this sum, so we'll be basically applying some shortcut and then we'll be coming to the result. Obviously, we'll be discussing that what is the basis of this shortcut also. The first one, it says you can see the tan alpha equal to a by a plus 1 and tan beta equal to 1 by 2a plus 1. We have to find tan of a plus b. So the first question says that tan alpha equal to a by a plus 1 and tan beta equal to 1 by 2a plus 1. And we have to find here alpha plus beta. Now, while finding alpha plus beta, we'll be here applying a shortcut. The shortcut is that as we write here, shortcut which you have to keep in mind always, that we have tan A given us, suppose m by n, and tan B is given by n minus m by m plus. Then tan A plus B will be equal to 1. Now we try to correlate this expression, this shortcut with this expression, because here in this present sum we have to find alpha plus beta. So let us write the given expression tan alpha as m by m in format, that is a by a plus 1. This shows that m can be taken as a and m can be taken as m plus 1. Now we come to tan beta. Now tan beta, as per the formation of the shortcut for as per the shortcut form, it is n minus m by m plus m. N minus m, that means what we want to express this one as, we can write a plus 1 minus a by. It is m plus n, that is a by a plus 1. So this is just the format n minus m by m plus n or n plus n. So from this, once we can understand that this is in this format, then automatically we can conclude here that therefore tan of alpha plus beta equal to 1. And out of the given expression, there is a given options. Out of the given options, what we can say that correct option in this particular sum will be alpha plus 1 equal to pi by 4 as one of the options. It is simple. Now let us understand the logic behind the sum. Logic behind the sum is very easy. If we apply here tan a plus b formula, then we'll definitely get 1. Let us see that here we have tan a equal to m by n, tan b equal to n minus m by m plus n. Now tan a plus b will be tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a. Now here we can just put the formula, that is m by n plus n minus m by m plus n whole divided by 1 minus m by n into n minus m by m plus n. So if we simplify, it is m square plus m plus n square minus m whole divided by, it is mn plus n square minus mn plus m square. So definitely we get this one as 1, which is the required result. Now after that, you can easily understand that the format which has been given is based on this result. Next we come to the next expression, which is given as that tan A equal to 2020 by 2019. Tan B equal to 1 by 4039. And here you have to evaluate tan A minus B. Now, this given expression can be correlated with the shortcut form, that is tan A equal to m by n, tan B equal to m minus n by m plus n, and then tan A minus B equals to 1. And that is always true. Here we can understand that from the given expression, we can say that tan A equal to what? 2020 by 2090. So if you just think that these are m by n form, m is 2020, n is 2090, and we have tan B, which is m minus n. So we can write the numerator 1 as 2020 minus of 2090 whole divided by 2020 plus 2090. Now this is same as m minus n by m plus n. So we can see this is just in accordance with the given form. So from this we can definitely conclude, therefore we can write tan A minus B equals to 1. And therefore we can say that here A minus B equal to 5 by 4. So this is also very simple form. If we just keep this in mind, we can do this type of sum very quickly. Now, if we want to understand this format, that also you can do very easily. That is, if we are given tan A equal to m by n, tan B equal to m minus n by m plus n, then we can find tan A minus B. Now here tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan. Now here if we just put the value m by n minus n by m plus n whole divided by 1 plus m by n into m minus n by m plus n, we can write m square plus mn minus mn plus n square whole divided mn plus n square plus m square minus m. So this gives us m square plus n square by m square plus n square equal to 1. So we can understand the shortcut is based on this result only, which you have derived. So just to keep this in mind, when it is a minus b, it is m minus n. And we have seen when it is a plus b, then we have n minus n. This is the only difference we have. Let a plus c equal to b, where a, b, c are the angles. Then we can write tan b minus tan a minus tan c equal to tan a, tan b, tan c. Very simple thing. Now, how this result will help us? Let us take the next sum, or you can understand very easily. It is given that you have to find the, basically you have to find the value of k here, or the given expression is tan 70 minus tan 20 equal to k tan 50. Now here we have 50 plus 20 equal to 70. So as per the shortcut, we can write here tan 70 minus tan 20 minus tan 50 equal to tan 20, tan 50, and tan 70. Now sum is over because this is tan 70 minus tan 20 minus tan 50. Now if we observe the 20 plus 70 is 90. Now when it is 90, we can write this one as tan of 90 minus 20 is cot 20. Tan 20 cot 20 is 1. We are left with only tan. And this gives us that tan 70 minus tan 20 equal to twice tan 50. And therefore the value of the key should be equal. We have here a plus c equals to b. So we can write here tan a plus c equal to tan b. Now this gives us tan a plus tan c whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan c equal to tan b. Now we cross multiply. If we cross multiply, it is tan a plus tan c equal to tan b minus tan a tan b tan c. So from this we can write that tan b minus tan a minus tan c equal to tan a tan b tan c. So that is the shortcut which we have used. A plus B plus C are the three angles, and their sum is some odd multiple of pi by 2. Under this circumstance, we can say two results. One is tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1. Secondly, we have cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. So these are the two results, two shortcut we can apply. If we take the next sum, it will be quite easy for us to understand. That is, here they have told us to find the fourth sum tan 25 degree into tan 31 degree plus tan 31 degree 34 degree plus tan 34 degree into tan 25 degree. Now, if we just consider this angle as A, this angle as B, and this angle as C, what we observe, A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2. Now, once we have this A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2, then we have the form that tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A equal to 1. So straight away we can get the result here that this expression should give us the value as 1. We can understand this also, this form very easily. Here we have A plus B plus C equal to pi by 2. So from this we can say that A plus B equal to pi by 2 minus C. Now here if we take tan A plus B equal to tan of pi by 2 minus C, which is cot C. And cot C means 1 by tan C. Now here we apply the formula of tan A plus B and we get tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan. equal to 1 by tan c. So it is tan A tan C plus tan B tan C equal to 1 minus tan A tan. And from this we can easily understand that the result which you are using is basic is this derivation. We are given cot 29 degree plus cot 30 degree plus cot 31 degree equal cot 29 degree, cot 30 degree, and cot 31 degree. And we have to find the value of k. So it is a very simple sum. What we will do, we can just understand that here that this is A, this is B, and this is C. So we have here A plus B plus C equal to 5. Or we can express in degree because here the angles are given in degree. So we can write equal to 90 degree. So automatically you can understand that this is in accordance with this form. 40 plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. And this shows that K is equal to 1. So very simple thing. And we can understand this expression also. Here it is given A plus B plus C equal to 90. So you can write here A plus B equal to 90 minus C. And from this we can say cot of A plus B equal to cot of 90 minus C. Now cot A plus B formula, cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. Now here cot 90 minus C, that is actually tan C. Now tan C can be written as 1 by cot C. So we cross multiply and we get cot A, cot B, cot C minus cot C equal to cot A plus cot B. And from this we can say that cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. Now it can happen that application of this formula, sometimes it not only here, it can also help us while applying EMG. You can understand this is exactly of that form. If we have EMG, if we are told that A plus B equal to 90, ABC are acute angle. Suppose we are told that a minimum value of for cot A plus cot B plus cot C or maximum value of cot A, cot B, cot C. So we can utilize EMG very easily. It is given A plus B plus C equal to 90. And cot A plus cot B plus cot C is greater than equal to K. And here we have to find box of K, where box denotes GI. It is given A plus B plus equal to 90, cot A plus cot B plus cot C is getting equal to K. And we have to find here box of K, where K denotes the GI or critical function. So since first of all, you can start in this way, that is since A plus B plus C equal to 90 degree. This implies cot A plus cot B plus cot C equal to cot A, cot B, cot C. That we know. And we can just take this as X, that is just we are assuming. Now here it is given that ABC are accurate. It is also mentioned here that ABC are accurate. We are writing it here in the given information. Now when they are acute, when these angles are acute, ABC are acute, then automatically cot A, cot B, cot C can be zero. So we can say that as A, comma B, comma C are acute. So cot A, cot B, cot C greater than 0. Now we apply AM greater than equal to GM. Now for that, what we can say that cot A plus cot B plus cot C whole by 3 is greater than equal to cot A, cot B, cot C to the power of 1 by 3. Now here we can apply that the value of cot A plus cot B plus cot C, which is x we have taken, greater than equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. Now from this we can say that x to the power of 2 by 3 is greater than equal to 3. And therefore x is greater than equal to 3 root 3. Now this is k according to the given information. And we have to find box of k. So 3 root 3, which will be more than 5, less than 6. So the box value is 5. Next, we take a very important form, that is tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 2 square tan 2 square A plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 tan 2 to the power of n minus 1 plus 2 to the power of n cot 2 to the power of n, and this result will give us cot. So we'll keep this in mind. Very important. Here we take the next sum where it is given, the given expression only we write first. It is tan pi by 5 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 5 plus 4 cot 4 pi by 5. Now here we try to correlate this given expression with this one. So we can say this one is tan pi by 5 plus 2 into tan 2 into pi by 5 plus 2 square cot 2 square pi by 5. So just if we consider that here pi by 5 is the angle which we can consider as A, then we can put it to the given expression and we can say that here the answer should be equal to cot pi by 5. Now if we correlate with the given expression, then it is lambda by 2 into cot pi by 5. So definitely this shows that lambda equal to 2 because this whole thing should be equal to 1 and we can get the value of lambda very easily. We take the next sum. What is given? Tan pi by 7 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 7 plus 4 tan 4 pi by 7 plus 8 cot 8 pi by 7 equal to tan theta. And we have to find we have to find here the value of sine 7. Now, first of all, if we correlate the given expression with the shortcut, which you know that tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 2 square tan 2 square A plus 2 cube cot 2 cube A, then the answer is cot. So here what is there? Here, if we just correlate A equal to pi by 7, so the whole expression should be reduced to cot pi by 7. So the given expression tan pi by 7 plus 2 tan 2 pi by 7 plus 2 square tan 2 square pi by 7 plus 2 cube cot 2 cube pi by 7 is equal to cot pi by 7. But we have to express in terms of tan. So we can do that. We can write this one as tan pi by 2 minus pi by 7. So this is our theta. So you can see here that therefore theta equal to pi by 2 minus pi by 7. Now here we need to find what? 7 theta. Sine 7 theta. Now sine 7 theta is sine of 7 pi by 2 minus pi. Sine 7 pi by 2 minus pi equal to sine 5 pi. It is 7 pi by 2 minus pi. So you can take the same as 2. So 7 pi minus 2 pi, there is 5 pi. So it is sine 5 pi. Sine 5 pi by 2 can be written as sine 2 pi plus pi by 2. Now we know sine 2 pi plus theta is sine theta. So it is sine pi by 2, which is 1. We can just take the quadrant also, and we can understand when it is 2 pi, it is a complete circle we have. And after that, we have a pi by 2. So this is the line on which ultimate angle is terminating. So for that reason, we are saying here that the answer is 1, because this line lies in first quadrant and second quadrant. In both the quadrants, sign is positive. If we are given alpha, which may be 60 degree or 120 degree or 240 degree or 360, if we are given this, then we have sine square theta plus sine square alpha, which is given, minus theta plus sine square alpha plus theta equal to 3 by 2. We can also write cos square theta plus cos square alpha minus theta plus cos square alpha plus theta equal to the same result, that is 3 by 2. Now, this is also a very important expression which you have to keep in mind. Let us take a sum so that we can understand it easily, this application. We have to find the value of cos square 10 degree plus cos square 50 degree plus cos square 70 degree. Now, if we see this expression properly, we can definitely reduce this in this form. How we can do that? We can understand here 57. Both are related to 60, and that will relation we can establish with the help of this angle, which is 10 degree. As we can see here that our theta is 10 and alpha equal to 60. And then we can express this one as cos square 10 degree plus cos square 60 minus 10 degree plus cos square 60 plus 10. So straight away you can write that this result will be equal to 3 by 2. Why? Because we can just say here theta is 10, alpha is 60, and then if we try to correlate this, we get cos square theta plus cos square alpha minus theta plus cos square alpha plus theta. Now this will be equal to 3 by 2. So this whole expression gives the value of 3 by 2. Now we can understand this application. That is what is the logic behind this formula, that is 60 minus theta plus cos square 60 plus theta. Now here we can write 1 by 2 into 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos square 60 minus theta plus 2 cos square 60 plus theta. We can write this as 1 plus cos 2 theta plus 1 plus cos 2 into 60 minus theta, that is 120 minus 2 theta plus 1 plus cos 180 plus 2 theta. Now here you have 1 plus 1 plus 1, so we can say here that this is 3 plus cos 2 theta plus, here we can apply cos c plus cos d. So if we apply cos c plus cos d, we can write 2 cos 120 plus 2 theta plus 120 minus 2 theta by into cos this minus this, so that will do directly. We can get 4 theta by 4 theta by, and from this we can say it is half of 3 plus cos 2 theta plus, here we can simplify this further. If we cancel out, we'll have 120 cos 120 cos 120 give us minus half, because it is 180 minus 60 into cos 2 theta, and that gives us 3 by 2. Here just we have utilized that cos 120 degree equal to cos 2 into 90 degree minus 60 degree. Now this gives us minus cos 60 degree equal to minus. Now this minus up into minus 2 cos 2 theta, cancel out, we get here 3 by 2. So this is the result which we have used here, and we got the result. So this is also a very important expression which we have to keep in mind. Next we take another sum. Sin square 10 degree plus sin square 230 degree plus sin square 250 degree. Now here we can just express this expression in the form sin square 10 degree plus sin square 240 degree minus 10 degree plus sin square 240 degree plus 10 degree. Now here if we think theta as 10 degree and alpha as 240 degree, then we are done, because then it is of the form sin square theta plus sin square alpha minus theta plus sin square alpha plus theta, that is 3 by 2. That if we have here sin square theta plus sin square 240 minus theta plus sin square 240 plus theta, if we have, we can express this one as 1 by 2 into 2 sine square theta plus 2 sine square 240 minus theta plus 2 sine square 240 plus theta. Now here half of 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 into 240, that is 480 minus theta, 1 minus cos 480 plus theta. Now from here this is half 3 minus cos 2 theta minus, if we take common, it is cos 480 plus theta plus cos 480 minus theta. Now here we can apply cos c plus cos d. So this is half 3 outside minus cos 2 theta minus. Here we can apply cos c plus cos d formula, which is 2 cos c plus d by 2. So ultimately it is 480. 480 can be written as 450 plus 30 into cos 2 theta. Now 450 plus 30, that is 5 into 90 plus 30. 5 means it is odd, so it will be sine 30. This is in the second quadrant angle, so automatically it will be negative. So ultimately we get here 1 by 3 minus cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta, and that gives us the result 3 by 2. So if we have sin square theta plus sin square 240 minus theta plus sin square 240 plus theta, the answer is 3 by 2. This is what exactly we have implied. Given here that k equal to fractional part of sine square 20 plus sine square 280 degree plus sine square 320, where this denotes fractional part of x denotes x minus box x. There is a fractional part of x. Now, when this sum is given, at first we should simplify this one. So here we can understand that it is sine square 20 degree plus sine square, we can write 300 minus 20 plus sine square 300 plus 20. So if we just think this 20 as theta, 300 as alpha, this is theta, this is alpha, this is theta, that is, we can correlate this as sine square theta, sine square alpha minus theta, plus sine square alpha plus theta. And this gives us 3 by 2. Now, here k is basically the fractional part of 3 by 2. Now, here it is defined. In the question, it may not be defined. So, here what is the answer? 3 by 2 minus box of 3 by 2. So, that is how. So, here the value of k is.